The bus is there as well. I don't know why this guy's beeping. I can't go anywhere in case I want to go in this lane off the roundabout. Because so Hanger Lane, people get scared of it, but it's not really a scary roundabout, and getting onto it is controlled by traffic lights as well, so that's going to make it a lot easier to get onto the roundabout. So now here the lanes are starting to split up. This lane that we're in is splitting into two. I could use that lane as well, but it looks like there's more traffic in there. And this one tells us as well on the road that this is for the A40 West. Once I'm here now, I'm looking for the road markings for A40 West. I want the lane next to the lorry, so the right hand side of that lorry over there, because these guys should be aiming to go behind that lorry over there. And I can see once that car is a bit out of the way, I can see on the road it says A40 West in my lane. Now it's just a matter of making sure you're checking the mirrors as well, because some people, they will use the wrong lane or they'll try to join you in your lane. So mirror checks are really important now. Now that I'm in this lane should take me to my exit. It should be nice and easy now. And this lane's coming off with us as well, so I'm going to keep an eye on those cars as well, and those vehicles on that side, to make sure I don't encroach in their lane, to make sure there's no one trying to cut into my lane as well. And also some people on this side are going to potentially try to come off with us, so I'm going to keep an eye on those as well. So the main thing is that you're sticking to your lane and you're checking your mirrors. I've got no signal on right now because it's a big roundabout. It'll be confusing for me to be signaling left and right now. But once I get here, I can signal left. This way everyone knows I'm coming off. Yeah, and there's two lanes to come off. I can come off in this lane and then cancel my signal. And as I go further down into the road, I can see the lanes are merging together into one. So I'm going to start checking my left mirror, and there's a big gap on my left here, so I'm just going to check it one more time before I join it and before the lanes blend together. And now it's done. That's how you do Hanger Lane from the A406 turning right third exit towards the A40. So now we're on the A40 going back towards Hanger Lane, and we're going to be going second exit towards the A406. So we're already in the left slip road, and we've got the A406 sign on the floor there. You can use the left lane or the middle lane. Even the right lane you can use as well, but because lots of lanes come off onto the A406, you get 3 lanes coming off on there. And we're on a slight hill here, so I'm going to make sure I do my biting point properly, otherwise we're going to roll backwards. Because if I don't, I've got my hill assist holding me back right now, but if I leave it for too long, you see it rolls back. Make sure I get the biting point first, add a bit of gas, the hill assist lets go, and then we start moving. So like now, no indication, and then I'm aiming for this lane here. So you see, because that lane was going towards the left, and I checked my mirror as I was doing that. And then now we're going to be in the left lane of the roundabout, because this lane now is going towards that way, towards Sudbury. And then once we're here, we're going to signal left. So keep as much left as possible. So here people sometimes cut across the wrong lane by mistake, but if you're in the left lane, you keep as much left as possible, it makes it nice and simple. So now that we've come off, we're in the left lane now, and it's done. So with Hanger Lane, it's nice and simple, guys. Once you get into your lane, as long as you stick to your lane, it will take you to your exit nicely. And you want to make sure you're checking your mirrors for anyone who's making any mistakes. So right now we're going to Hill Circus. We're going to turn right, third exit, and we're in the left lane right now. So we want to make our way to the right-hand lane. As you can see, it's quite busy. So as soon as you know that you want to turn right, third exit at the next roundabout, start making your way to the right-hand lane as soon as you can do that. Safely, of course. As we get closer to the roundabout, we can see the signs as well, telling us what lanes to use. While I'm here, I'm thinking about where my exit is, and I can see left will be over there, straight is down that way, and then right will be where that van over there is coming from. I can see into the roundabout, it's quite busy already, so I'm not going to rush to get in there. As you can see, the car in front is braking already, and then now they're starting to move. And when I get to like around here, I want to start thinking about moving to the left middle lane. Yeah, I'll check my mirror. I'm aiming for the middle, and then I'll signal left, and then I'll stop for the light as well. It's really important that you're keeping an eye on the mirror and the light as you're coming over here. Otherwise, you could easily miss the light changing to red. Keeping an eye on these cars as well, because it looks like they're coming off with us. Over there's only space for one vehicle to go through. I'm also thinking about these cars on my right. They might come off with us as well. So there's a lot to think about as you're coming off. That traffic is stopping. Ours is going to be green. Keep my signal on. Checking both sides. And then come off just like that. We're going to go straight second exit. From this side, you've got lots of cars coming from the right hand side, so it might make it tricky to get onto the roundabout. So I'm going to aim for the left lane, and as you can see, there's a bus stop here. And sometimes people try to go around the bus stop and then go to the left. There's no point. The bus stop is so close to the roundabout that it doesn't make sense to go over there first you might as well just stick to the left, go over the bus stop, and then now we're already in the lane that we need to be in. Checking my exit, which is over there, and I can see already there's a lot of traffic ahead of me. The bus is there as well. I don't know why this guy's beeping, I can't go anywhere. So sometimes you're gonna get situations like that where people will beep, but don't move like now until you're ready to move. Yeah. So now I could move because everyone was moving, those lights were green, then I could move. And then these cars are coming off with us. And then that's how it's done. So don't rush, don't be pressured into going by someone else that's in a rush. Take your time and think about what you need to do and do it safely. So now we're approaching Apex corner and we're gonna turn right, third exit on this one. This one is a bit weird because even though we're turning right, we're gonna stick to the left for now, and I'll show you why. So as you can see, this lane now splits into two, and this lane can go to the right as well, even though it's like the left of these three. And because I'm going to the right, I'm gonna signal right, and now it's just a matter of sticking to my lane because this lane will take me to my exit. Checking my mirrors, make sure no one comes into my lane, making sure that I'm not going into anyone else's lane. And then now when we get here, we're in the left lane now. Signal left, let people know I'm coming off, sticking as far left as possible, and now it's done. This is the trickier one on Apex corner. This is where people fail the most on this kind of roundabout because you need to judge when to go, and sometimes it's really difficult to do that. So as you approach it, the lanes split into three, and because I know I'm turning right, I want to start aiming towards the right from early, so that once I'm here now, you see, I'm already on the right hand side, and then anyone else that's going to the left or straight can go that way, and I'm not in their way. When the traffic leading to it is slow like this, you know it's going to be quite busy and hard to get onto it. It's a bit of a hill as well going up there, so make sure you're doing this properly, otherwise you roll backwards. If you struggle with hills, make sure you check out this other video that I've made that will help you to drive up hills slowly and how to do hill starts as well. So around here we can signal right so that everyone knows we're going to be going to the right, and again, making sure that I'm thinking about where my exit is before I get into the roundabout. So my exit is over there, where that building is over there, so I know for certain, and if I'm not sure, I will ask the examiner. So it looks like people are moving into the roundabout now, but then as soon as you see lots of people come from that side coming quite fast, so now we make sure we stop before we get onto the roundabout so we're not blocking anybody's path. So I'm looking at the cars that are going this way mainly. I'm also looking for cars that are going that way so that I can make a move if there's no one else in the middle of the roundabout. So I'm looking for a gap when that traffic light over there stops that traffic. But sometimes on this roundabout, you don't get much time because as soon as those guys stop, these guys start coming from the right, you see? There's not much time between them turning red and then these guys going green. And sometimes people will zoom from the right-hand side there. So like now I can see these guys are still coming towards me, keeping an eye on their signals. So I'm looking where that Porsche is going. Once that Porsche is finished, I'll think about going, but then look, straight away more cars come now. And if someone beeps, ignore them because they can't see what you can see sometimes and they're in a rush. So don't be tempted to go when it's not safe. So now they're stopping, I'll get my car ready. And I'll make my move. So you see, people come around really fast, like that van. If people slow down a bit around here, I'll make it a lot easier to get on. But once people get a green light, they get too excited and then they rush into the roundabout. Once I get here, I'll signal left, wait for the green, and then make my move. Checking my left mirror as I come off. And my right as well. Cancel my signal. So this lane takes you to the right hand side and you want to make your way to the left when it's safe. But right now there's lots of cars on the left. There's a bus there as well going kind of slow. So it doesn't make sense now trying to go to the left. Just stick to the right. If the road is empty and clear, you should make your way to the left. Otherwise you're going to end up giving yourself a serious fault for being in the wrong lane.